In this video, I'm going to show you how to make iPhone say something when plugged in. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So do you want your iPhone to say a custom voice message or say something when you charge it or plug it in? Here's how you do it. So first, you want to open your Shortcuts app. Now from here, you want to tap on automation in the bottom and you want to tap on new automation. Now from here, let's scroll down until we find this charger option. So tap on that and you want to make sure that this is set to is connected and run immediately. If you set it to run after confirmation, it won't be speaking unless you confirm it. So just select run immediately. Select is connected, tap on next in the upper right corner. Now from here, tap on speak text. Now you can tap on the text right here to add a text that you to add the message that you want your iPhone to speak. So let's say power on. Now you can also tap here to adjust the rate, the pitch, the language, and the voice. So as you can see, there's a bunch of voices right here. Now simply tap on done. And now you're good to go. So when you go and connect your iPhone to your charger, it will automatically say the text that you provided. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.